Howdy, how, party people. All right, let's get into it. So, if you paid attention on Tuesday when I gave you my weekly range, okay, I said that the high would be 4.545. I don't think we'll reach that since we've been downtrending here since Tuesday, but we did hit 4443, which I had actually we hit lower than that, and we bounced off of it, which also coincides with the smart money contracts. Now, this here again, you could say this is the beginning of the 5% challenge setup, and on that seasonality chart I shared, we do have a pop into the middle of September. Now, there's a lot going on here. Okay, anybody who's traded knows that we got CPI on my birthday, and then these are bullish days. Okay, meaning usually you buy here and you sell that. Okay, so I do suspect that we are gonna go for a pop. All right, now look at this. Look at the setup here on the daily. Okay, and yes, I know this is curling down and all this, but this could be a fake breakdown that starts a rally that goes all the way to. Hold on. Because I have monthly top above this gap. I actually have it all the way up here, which would be kind of a double top but a lower high and then down. So, because of the setup and everything going on, I think we're gonna go higher. And I think this is a quote unquote fake breakdown. And we saw some action today. Now, for tomorrow, I'm going to be playing very conservatively my weekly closing price, which is right freaking there. That's what I have. So since that is a gap, see, there's a gap there. If we can get past this gap tomorrow, I think we can melt. Why? Just because of different things I see, which I will go over. So a good low risk play could be, for instance, 448 or 449 calls out the gate. Okay? For one of them Fridays. Because we all love Fridays. Fridays can be green. I mean, let's forget August, but you know what I mean. We could get some good action just looking at the premiums. It's a 4-day week. They usually end the green. And it wasn't like the worst day to trade. We still didn't fill that gap. That's not very bullish. But if we can get above this gap tomorrow, we have room all the way up here. There's a couple of spots. There's obviously the gap, then there's this volume shelf here. This volume shelf is pretty huge. We held this though. So if we can fill that gap, this is going to nevertheless reject unless for some reason we happen to gap above and take those sell orders out, and then we can go up here. So it'll be interesting to see. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go over the huge. Okay, still nice setup. KRE didn't have the best day. Volume, we've now have 3 down volume days. All right, so last time we had that, obviously August was kind of different, but after 3 big ones you usually get a pop. Okay, just like if you're doing this, you're bound to get a red one. Okay, so watch the breadth tomorrow at open. I will. Oxy, whatever, oil, whatever, kind of topping out. VIX still has a gap here and it has a gap here. So I hope that feels tomorrow. Sorry, bears, but I really do. We rejected the 21 on the daily. The chart looks like this wants to go up, but just looking at how steep the 9 MA looks, you know, something's telling me we could have an update tomorrow. Obviously, I'll be watching out if there's an event and we absolutely shit the bed, but as of right now, today was pretty tight. Clearly a premium killing day. 10-year yield. Geez, sounding like Joe here. Lower high. Would love for that to come down. Dixie, what's the Dixie doing? Man, I hate it. Trading View, sometimes I haven't had that on for who knows how long, and it's back there, and if you try to take it away, it does that. So I'm kind of have to gonna do like this. That's clearly a big level, clearly still in an uptrend. Would love for a trend reversal on that. Now market risk came down a little, not a lot. All right, not a lot, still at 274. But let's go over first of all Meta. You know that I have been watching that like a hawk and caught this whole move, and then I posted if this cross happens I'm gonna stop out, which I did, and then I caught this move, sold half, and I'm swinging some because there's yet to be any news, and it's not just like yeah there's the TikTok ban speculation, whatnot, but if it doesn't go tomorrow, it can go next week, and it can go all the way up to here to, you know, through 310. And those cons move like crazy, and if you're in it when it goes, please, it's Meta. It's like freaking Tesla. You gotta take profit, and then you can re-enter. Don't, you know, trading Meta when the cons start going is like Nvidia and Tesla. It's like, but will there be more? Will there be more gains? Probably not. But yeah, I mean, so someone must have pumped this too hard, slapped it, and then bought slower. Okay, fantastic. Snap, I kept posting about that. Sympathy play, really nice setup. Nvidia, okay. Doug's like, can you tell me why you jumped in on that? Yes I can. First, this is NVAX. Come on, man. Where is it? Here. All right. So let's zoom out a little bit. Okay. First of all, yesterday it sold mostly on freaking Twitter. I'm gonna call them Twitter liberals. I'll be nice. Twitter liberals said that there's gonna be a short report out by Grizzly, and it's gonna be about Nvidia. And then there was another story, and the dudes are like, yeah, where there's smoke, there's fire. Must be that Nvidia created a company to purchase orders from them that aren't real. Okay, not saying in the shit show that doesn't, you know, that there's no smoke to that, but it might be Hunter Biden type smoke. Point being, they put out a freaking short report on PDD, and they're like, this is a big one. This is one of the big ones. Sorry, bro. PDD is not one of the big ones. Okay? Anyways, now the daily setup looks a little questionable because it's Nvidia. Okay? That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. But a sell this quick and on the daily, that holds the 21. If you're trading SPY on 5 minute, you're always checking when it starts shitting the bed if it's gonna hold the 21. Am I right? and it's got a gap. So that's why I'm in the 465s. And if it really wants to go, it can freaking go. Why did I take it though? Well, I've been watching it. It's got a gap. On the hourly, it had a buy signal. And for that matter, the hourly setup is really nice. And look at that. You know, when you get a hourly MACD cross, it's serious business. And if you didn't know that, get that into your head and forget everything else. Forget your wife's name. Just be like MACD cross on the hourly. So let's jump on the 5. Then we got that little guy there, and we held this level it had held previously, and the cons are cheap. You look, where's the gap? Where can it go? Oh, we got a MACD cross. Stow is going absolutely straight up. That's when you take the trade. Capiche? Okay? Wonderful. UPST. Ooh. But this would be also called a premium killer. Okay? But still, if you took it, nice trade. Okay? Zoom had action again. It likes to keep doing this. Up and down. Up and down. Just burning premiums out. Had some, I mean, that's a pretty big signal, but so was that. And look what happened. So, LMT, yeah, you know I love my LMT. Why? Because cons move like crazy and I like posting tank pictures. Nevertheless, if you zoom in here, it might smell like a 1 hour 921 cross. And if you go down here, you already got it. Boom, boom, boom. Has room to run like crazy. So keep an eye to see what's going to happen. Don't know why they keep buying Unity, but they are. Right, same setup as UPST. Walmart, I posted Walmart news. Then it just ran. Great. Didn't really play any Vaseline names today. It was just meta in the video for me. Pissed I didn't catch Tesla because I had gone on my break when he was still doing this. But clearly here you see the cross. Stow hits. Market's all shaky. You see the flip here. Stow going up. So that would have been an awesome trade for $5 to $7 that I didn't take. However, I did say Apple 1 hour cross, and look what happened. Okay, the MACD 1 hour cross is huge. Like, live by it. Okay, if nothing else, trade 1 hour MACD crosses. Okay, because you could still have gotten what, a decent amount. So with them having an Apple event the day before CPI, you don't have to be as smart as Justin Trudeau or Kamala Harris to understand. You got to think like Nancy, you know. She's got to freak. I don't know what she does or used to do with her paycheck, but she inflated the shit out of it. Yeah, totally legit. Anyways, you can play this, and I'll be on the lookout because it's got gaps and it's got all kinds of stuff, and they want it back up there. Okay, so please watch Apple with me. Now, got that at the end, and we got that at the end, and nothing crazy yet, but you know, very flow based chop. We're still chopping. That's why I'm like, we could get a move tomorrow. Ooh, nice. I'm not the only one looking at upside, clearly. See that? Do you see it? Of course you do. So yeah. And what else? Come on. Jeez. I do this every day and I'm still like, where's that thing? All right, so we got bears and bulls coming in, seeing who's right. As you can see here, we're completely flat. This is probably more longer dated puts because it's September. If you're the market maker, you're going to destroy all those long puts, aren't you? Yes, you are, Chris. You're a crooked little shithead. Okay. Fantastic yeah, I'll be looking again. Look, I think Spy can squeeze up to this volume shelf tomorrow. I really do. So, with that said, I'll see you all on the train tomorrow. Wonderful. God bless. Have a great day.